Hello and welcome. To change pointer color on Mac in macOS Monterey, click on the Apple icon in the menu bar and choose System Preferences. On the window that opens, click on the Accessibility icon. On the left panel, select Display. Now, on the right side, select the Pointer tab. Let me first enlarge the pointer so that you can see the color change better. Click on the top rectangle to change the pointer's outline color. You can use the color wheel or the slider to select the color, but I'm gonna choose a maroon pencil color. Now click on the bottom rectangle to change the fill color. I think the carnation looks great on the inside. This is my pointer with a new color. Please like if this video helped you, dislike if it didn't, subscribe for more tutorials and tips, comment to ask questions or to give feedback. Thank you.